Right. There is a request for song. Told Makadini Maswera say. Toda wita song yandajiita iri kutendera mazuva ano by Chibadura-Vengai, Zvenyu, the rhythm part of the song. So the song was played at F. This is F. And then this is our one F. Then here we say A sharp. F, A sharp, F, C. Those are the chords. So we'll be using this one, F, then A sharp, F, then C. Right, F, we'll also be using this flat F. This is the same chord, flat, but negative to right panel. Right, so the song, right, panel. A very important sound in Obudapa, that song. Let me play it first, then I will show you what I'm talking about. This. You see. So when you are at A sharp and you slide in, you play number 2, then you slide in. Then you come pa F flat-ish. So yes. So it's like this. 5, 3, 2. Right? This plate number what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3. F again. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 on F. Major, this one. Then when you play that note, you come on this note again, which is A sharp. It's number 4, 2, and 1. But you play it like this. 2 and number 1. Number 2, as you play, just immediately you play number 2. You slide from here. You can still play it like this. We don't want that sound. We want this sound, man. So it's you've got an open string there. It's number 3, né? Yeah, so number 3. Now let me play again. F, 4 and 5, F, then A sharp, flat, F flat. Let me put it slowly now. Then the next part is this one. In place of this one. Neke magu iro variation yacho na mayode. If you can't use this plectrum, you can try to play it Nema or Kohon, but it will not sound original. Thank you.